they can. Again, a giraffe's femur and the leg, the bones in the legs are very, very thick. So a lion would struggle to break through that. But the smaller bones, the end of the ribs, no problem.
Pulling us on you.
So this morning we gave some bad reviews.
Right, and I thought we had gifts. But no, I think this is our laundry.
Yeah.
So
So
it's nice, but laundry is...
this is, the laundry comes with a bow when they do it for you. Unbelievable. Or maybe a zebra. This is unreal.
Your sweatpants. And socks nicely folded. Smell it. Smells like soap.
So we just left Green Market, where we were trying to negotiate buying a zebra skin. He started out at 15,000 Rand, which was a good price. It was 15,000. No. That was what you would pay in the market if you went to a real store. And then Sonia came over and was like, "But we're not in a real store. We're at the market." So he wants to do a deal for 13,000 Rand, which is essentially like $15 less. By the time we left, this dude was following us around in ninja style. And I mean true ninja style, in that he would pop up out of nowhere with the zebra and a grocery bag.
They bagged it up.
And then start the whole renegotiation process as if we hadn't just talked for the price at a different point.
Amazing.
Sonia got it down to 6,000, 6,500, 7,000?
7,000. My original price was 6.
And that was an experience in and of itself. But at the end of the day, we ended up walking away from it. We ran into a guy that was doing t-shirts. He was from Zaire, and he told us to give him a call in the morning and he'd see if he could get it for...
I was in a real store.
Far less, and that was in a real store. Just happened to be a t-shirt store. So we've had a blast today, and it's been incredibly intense. We went up to the mountain, as you all know it, to be Table Mountain. As you can see, the clouds are starting to come over. That over there is Lion's Head. And the lights from the road sort of messing it up, but you can see the cloud cover. Some more of South Africa. And we're on to the next place.
Went for it. The caterpillar. No hesitation.
I've had a lot of them tonight. I would love to say that this is jungle, but it really is just bamboo that people have just found places to engrave. These cocoon swing things could easily hold like 3 or 4 adults. What'd you say?
I said the world should not be so beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Africa is unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's how I lit a rental car. The cheapy.
Oh, I didn't tell you. Juice was like, that habit of his. I said, what? He said, leaving the door open. I said, oh, you've noticed already.
So yeah, I just can't say enough about how beautiful. Look at this shit. It's carved in the side.
This
of
is
a
the
mountain.
picture we saw. You remember I showed you that picture?
I don't remember that. Well, we just made one. You see the water dripping up there? Dude, don't you know we trying to go see some penguins? Africa is flatly the most majestic place I think I've ever seen. I can't think of anything that's been more beautiful than what we've seen.
I'm mad he in my shot though.
Okay. It's just so intense.
This stuff is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, the giraffes. And it's just like a sea of it.
It's like that stuff that we saw.
Yeah, it's the stuff that's in the airport. Or the stuff that Daryl has in his house.
Right.
You know, Daryl. Big baller, shot caller.
I wonder how much it costs.
You wanna go see? Just for GP. So this is just a random place on the side of the road that has sculptures. So we figured this stuff is not affordable, but like look at that. And look at that. Look at that elephant.
So we are now in Stellenbosch at the hotel that we're staying at for the next 2 days. This is the entryway. It's downstairs. This hotel is called Grooming. It is 302 years old. You walk up the stairs. There are 2 units on this floor. This one, number 17 and 16. And
Key.
there is the key. Wait. How do you make that? There we go. So you come in. That right there is emergency power, emergency lights. Excuse me if we lose power. The bedroom is, this is a very quaint hotel. This is the number 3?
No, this is the number 1 hotel.
This
in
is
Stellenbosch.
the number 1 ranked hotel in Stellenbosch.
They have the number 3 restaurant.
They also have the number 3. We walked by the restaurant, and the sous chef was busy plating and assured us that he would see us at some point and look forward to having us dine with him. All right.
Hi.
We're now in Hermanus, Africa, South Africa still, and we are on the Western Cape in an area called Hermanus, and we are getting ready to walk out onto the beach to see some whales. How y'all doing?
That's right. How are you?
Doing well.
Good, man.
You too. So the locals are pretty cool. It said that today there is a albino whale that is out there. We were told that we would need to keep a book because the whales will hang out below the surface of the water. Obviously they can hold their breath for quite a long time, but hopefully with enough patience we'll see them pop up, and maybe we'll arrange for a tour to go out to see what we can see. All right. Yeah, I accidentally turned the phone off for about 20 seconds. We're walking across the street now. This is the Western Cape. Absolutely shockingly beautiful, as most of the places have been that we've gone to. It goes way, way out. We haven't even wrapped around the curve yet. And I guess this is one of the areas where we'll be able to see some wells. But we're gonna walk around and see what we can get a hold to.
Adventures in wonder. You just sit back and this is absolutely beautiful. See it right there? I'm sure that from the picture and the video it's not very exciting, but just the fact that the whales in here is pretty darn cool.
Look at his stomach.
He's pretty full.
He has eaten quite a bit already.
Well, there's not much of that left. That would have been still a sizable meal, right?
That's it. He's leftovers.
He swallowed that little piece whole.
No, he's gone straight. He's just behind that bush.
Shrubbery, yeah.
Yeah, probably 20 meters from it. Station. Oh, man, come on.
This is the opposite.
Station controlling the lock. So there's lots and lots of meat left on this giraffe. It'll be interesting to see if any other lions join them over the course of the night. So again, grooming is also a very important part of a lion's daily ritual. It might have been maybe 4 or 5 days they've been here already before anybody saw them. So it's a long, long time. It's lots and lots of meat for 5 lions to eat.
Is it the family?
It is one pride, yes.
Okay.
This is our resident pride, which means that we see them fairly often. There were 9 of them originally.
Oh.
There were 8 females and 1 young male. We had new males come into the area to take over for the territory, and they killed 3 lionesses and chased that other male off. So now it's just the 5 lionesses that are here.
Here we go.